Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your AirPods Pro 2 have at least 20% battery and your device's Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the case close to your iPhone or iPad and watch for the pairing card. Tap Connect. If you want automatic device switching and Find My tracking, sign in to iCloud now. This avoids later headaches. You'll hear a chime when pairing succeeds. Note it because that confirms ready status and lets you move to sound routing and speaker controls. Now route audio, swipe into Control Center, press the audio tile, and select your AirPods Pro 2 as the output. You must do this for apps that don't auto-switch. Next, go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the eye icon and enable spatial audio. Choose Personalized Spatial for better head-tracked immersion. Make real-time adjustments. Use the volume slider or squeeze the stem to toggle active noise cancellation and transparency. This tuning changes perceived speaker balance and isolates dialogue when needed. Finish by testing across sources. Play music, make a call, and stream video to confirm stereo, spatial audio, and microphone behavior. If sound is missing from one side or connectivity drops, place both AirPods in the case and hold the rear button for 15 seconds to reset, then repair. Make sure your iPhone and AirPods firmware are up to date. Outdated firmware often causes glitches. If problems continue, unpair from Bluetooth and pair again. That usually clears stubborn audio routing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.